Hello and welcome to Zimstech Media. It never rains but pours. 17 people have died in a harrowing accident along Seke Road at Hunyani Bridge after a 30-ton haulage truck collided head-on with a commuter omnibus on Tuesday morning. 3 others were critically injured and rushed to hospital. Eyewitnesses say the combi, which was headed towards Central Harare, was struck when the haulage truck swerved into the opposite lane, allegedly trying to avoid a Honda Fit that had veered into its path. The truck collided head-on with the fully loaded combi, crushing it beneath its massive frame. When emergency services arrived, the wreckage was so severe that only fragments of the combi's chassis were visible. Rescue crews worked for hours to retrieve bodies from the wreck, with the twisted metal and debris scattered across the highway. Police have cordoned off the area and launched an investigation into the cause of the crash. The identities of the victims are still being verified as distraught family members began arriving at the scene. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.